In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to change system language on this phone. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select system, and go to languages and input. Pick languages and tap on Add a language to pick one from the following list. Now just pick the one that you would like to apply. Okay, so it may not work properly in this phone. Let's choose a different one. Also, let me pick some more common one. It can be, for example, French. Then slide it up to the first place to make it a default language of yours. Go back, and that's it. As you can see, it has been applied. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.